You.
Alright guys, this is Pastor Ruben,
And I'm Mr. Adam.
and we're coming to you live from the roof on Calvary Church.
What up?
It's awesome.
It is awesome.
You don't want to know how we got up here? We had to rent a helicopter to jump off, but it was awesome. But today, Adam, what are we doing?
Today, we are doing something unexpected. In honor of one of the last weeks, we're going to be doing a lot of things unexpectedly for the next couple of days of our lives.
Check it out.
Glass vase. Will it break? I don't know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, a jug full of milk. I don't know if it's gonna break. Let's find out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know what everybody loves about Calvary? Our pins. Because they're awesomeness. Just straight up awesomeness. We're going to throw this over the roof and see if it breaks. Ready?
3, 2.
Seriously? Here we go. Sprite, baby.
In 3, 2, 1.
Now the monkey. 5, 4, 3, 2.
All right, we have these
Flat
computer
screens.
They're flat screens.
What up?
Do you think they're gonna break, Adam?
I think they're gonna break.
All right, let's do this.
Will it break?
Come on. 3,
5,
2,
1.
Out of 10.
Nice.
Woo! It broke, baby. It broke. I'm stuck. Firecracker. Let's light this sucker up. Ah! I'm freaking out. I'm in my bed.